If you want your step and repeat banners to look like this instead of this, then keep watching. Hi you guys, my name is Asal and I'm a graphic designer at backdrop.com. Okay, first things first, your logo needs to be high quality. Now you may think to yourself,
my logo looks fine in this tiny little 100 pixel square.
but trust me, that's not how it's gonna look on an 8-foot backdrop. My advice is to use the biggest file that you have for your logo, or even better, use a vector file. Don't overcrowd your backdrop. Just please don't. I know you might have 18 sponsors and you want to make sure all of them get a spot on this backdrop, but trust me, that's not the way to go. Only keep the important ones because you want your backdrop to look classy and clean. Another thing you want to make sure is that the spacing between each logo is even. What I mean by that is that you want to ensure that the spacing between the logos in the columns and rows is always equal. I feel like that's enough for that point, honestly. Now, let's talk background. Do not use a crowded or busy background. Now, we have nothing against crazy colorful backgrounds. But trust me, for step and repeat, you want to make things simple to ensure that your logos will pop. Size your logos properly. Imagine a celebrity taking a photo in front of your backdrop and your logo is super tiny. You don't want that.
Are you chewing gum?
No.
I gotta go, I'm sorry. I just noticed. I gotta go, I'm sorry. I just noticed.
Now listen to me. Do not ignore the bleep lines. You heard that? If you're a seasoned pro, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But if you're new to the game, well, make sure you listen up because this is super important. If you don't leave enough space, your logo could get cut off. Do you want that? I don't think so. Guys, am I done with this?
Yeah, you good.